To replace your sway bar bushings, you want to take off both of these brackets here. They're held on by two 10mm each. Take them all off. Next, take off this metal bracket and then take off the bushing. Before you install your new bushing, make sure the bar is clean. You don't want any debris here, such as rust flakes, peeling paint, and you also want to make sure that the bar is still in good condition. It's not rotted away here or significantly thinner than the rest of it. If it is, then you have to replace it. So take your new sway bar bushings, and you obviously want to do the same to both sides. I'm going to put a little bit of grease in here. If you have silicone paste, you can use that. This is brake grease. This works too. Anything that does not deteriorate rubber will work. So put it all in here, and this will help keep the bushing alive for longer. If it's dry, then it's continuously rubbing and scraping itself up against the sway bar. Put it around. Make sure the opening is towards the back. That's actually going to prevent water from going in as you drive forward. And then take the bracket, and then take the bracket, slide it up on here. I'm going to take two of my bolts and coat them with some anti-seize. Put your bolts through. Bring your sway bar up, line up your bolts. Try to start them in by hand. Once they're both started, you can let go. You want to do the same to the other side, and then we'll snug these up. I'm going to bottom these out, then I'm going to torque them. And now that they're snug, go ahead and torque these to 37 foot-pounds.